cTrader has a number of line studies and Fibonacci tools for market and trend analysis. The line drawings toolbar can be found on the right of your platform by default. You can reposition the toolbar around the chart area by clicking and dragging the handle to the top, left, or bottom of the chart area. Let's take a quick look through the available options. The first two options for the toolbar let you switch between single chart mode and multi-chart mode, where you can view all your charts at once. The crosshair highlights coordinates for any point on the chart. Click and drag the crosshair tool to create a line between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points will be measured for pips, time periods, and will also show the date, time, and price. The next tool is the Market Snapshot tool, which shows you the high, low, close, and open prices, as well as the date and time for any point on the chart. Vertical and horizontal lines can be placed by simply clicking on the tool and then clicking inside the chart to place the lines. Click and drag to position the lines. To delete the vertical and horizontal lines or any other chart object, select the objects list and click the X beside the object, or select the object from the chart and press delete on your keyboard. To draw a diagonal trend line, select the trend line tool and click and drag between any 2 points on the chart. To modify the position of the line, you can click and drag on the middle part of the line to move it, and click on the 2 end points to reposition them. The equidistant price channel works similarly to the trend line. Click and drag on the chart to create the line. Adjust the channel by clicking and dragging on any of the 2 points, and by clicking and dragging the top line to move it closer or further away. The Fibonacci tool can again be used similarly to other chart objects. Click and drag in the direction of the trend to display Fibonacci levels, as well as the corresponding price for each number in the Fibonacci sequence. You can edit your Fibonacci drawing by clicking once on the diagonal and dragging from the middle to move, or from either of the points to reposition them. Rectangles and ellipses can also be added, using the same click and drag functionality we've seen with other objects. The text tool can be used to place text onto your chart. To use the tool, just click once inside the chart to begin typing. The color picker will let you change or set colors for any object on the chart. Click the tool to select your color. Any objects we add to the chart will now be yellow. If you want to change the color of an object after it has been placed, select the object first, then click on the color picker to choose a new color. The last option at the bottom of this toolbar is the Chart Shots feature. Chart Shots lets you quickly share snapshots of your charts in just a few clicks. You can learn more about this feature and how to use it in the Chart Shots video tutorial.